U.S. President Donald Trump said Friday he is looking to a possible meeting with Chinese President Xi Jinping in March at his estate in Florida to clinch a trade deal for ending the tariff war. Probably at Mar-a-Lago. Probably fairly soon. During the month of March, Trump said in an Oval Office meeting with Chinese Vice Premier Liu He after U.S. Chinese officials extended the current round of trade talks in Washington for 2 days, apparently over rifts and structural issues. Trump said he is open to moving back a March 1 deadline for the two countries to strike a comprehensive deal, a move that would put on hold the U.S. plan to raise tariffs on $200 billion of Chinese goods from 10 to 25% on March 2. The two sides have reached a deal on currency manipulation, one of the major pillars of the envisaged deal, according to the president. Separately, U.S. Agriculture Secretary Sonny Perdue said a Chinese delegation led by Liu on Friday committed to buy an additional 10 million tons of American soybeans as part of an effort to reduce the massive U.S. trade deficit with China. "I think we're making a lot of progress," Trump said at the meeting, part of which was open to the media. "I would say that is more likely that a deal will happen." Liu said a trade deal is very likely from Xi's perspective, and that Beijing will make utmost efforts to that end. Washington has pushed Beijing to address its unfair trade practices such as alleged intellectual property theft and forced technology transfer, subsidies to state-owned enterprises, and non-tariff barriers to American products. Quoting sources familiar with the situation, U.S. Business News Network CNBC reported Friday that the United States and China are discussing a late March meeting between Trump and Xi at the Mar-a-Lago resort. China has committed to buying up to $1.2 trillion in American goods, though the two sides remain far apart on issues over the forced transfer of intellectual property of foreign companies operating in China, CNBC said. In a DEC One summit in Argentina, Trump and Xi agreed to a truce in which both sides pledged to refrain from imposing further tariffs on each other's imports for 90 days while trying to complete talks to end the trade war.